In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gradient to a strip using a few simple steps. Gradients can really enhance a design by adding depth and interest, and they're incredibly versatile. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to identify the strip where you want to apply your gradient. Clicking on this strip will bring up several options for you to choose from. Make sure you've selected the correct strip on your canvas, because we'll be making all our modifications here. Once your strip is selected, you'll see different options appear around it. From here, you'll want to click on Change Background. This is where we'll start customizing the appearance of our strip. Now, you're going to enter the color settings. In this section, you will see various options, but what we're interested in today are gradients. Click on the Color option, and within this menu, you'll find the Gradient setting. Once selected, you'll see a list of gradient options appear. There are three main types of gradient styles to choose from: linear, radial, and conic. Each of these styles has a unique look and feel. For instance, linear gradients provide a straight line transition between colors, while radial gradients create a circular effect, and conic gradients offer a more dynamic, spiral-like appearance. With a gradient type selected, you can now customize it to match your design needs. You might notice a tile or dot representing your gradient's starting and ending colors. Feel free to adjust the color blend by dragging this tile or dot around. This action will change how your colors transition across the strip. Next, let's talk about the colors themselves. The color picker is your best friend here. Click on the colors displayed in the gradient settings, and a range of color options will be made available for you to choose from. Experiment with different combinations to find something that fits just right. If you're aiming for something more dynamic, fluid gradients might be what you're after. For these, the advanced settings will be tremendously helpful. You can add and drag color points directly on the gradient preview to create custom fluid effects. This feature allows for a seamless blending of multiple colors, giving your design an even richer aesthetic. By investing some time in tweaking these settings, you're sure to end up with a gradient that perfectly complements your design. Remember, the key is to experiment and have fun with it. The possibilities are nearly endless. So don't be afraid to try out different styles and colors until you achieve the desired look. Thank you for tuning in. With these steps, you now have the tools to add stunning gradients to your designs effortlessly. Enjoy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.